Windows Pasadena, Texas, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow window styles Pasadena residents can choose from, finding the perfect fit for your home is easier than ever. Bow window contractors in Pasadena are skilled in providing top-notch bow window services, ensuring a seamless installation process. Custom bow windows in Pasadena allow homeowners to tailor their window designs to match their specific preferences and home architecture. Bow window customization. Pasadena services offer a range of options, from selecting the perfect bow window materials to choosing the ideal bow window dimensions for your space. Bow window experts Pasadena are available to guide you through the customization process, ensuring your new windows meet your expectations. Energy-efficient bow windows. Pasadena are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while enhancing their home's comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow window benefits. Pasadena include improved energy efficiency, increased natural light, and enhanced curb appeal. Bow Windows Pasadena services are essential for homeowners looking to upgrade their existing windows. Whether your current windows are outdated or damaged, bow window replacement can provide a fresh, modern look while improving your home's energy efficiency. Bow window quotes. Pasadena are available to help you budget for your window replacement project. Bow window repair. Pasadena services are crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether you need minor repairs or more extensive work, bow window specialists Pasadena can address any issues, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Regular bow window maintenance. Pasadena can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your windows. Affordable bow windows. Pasadena are available for homeowners seeking cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Bow window installation cost. Pasadena can vary depending on the materials and design chosen, but there are options to fit every budget. Bow window contractors. Pasadena can provide detailed quotes to help you make an informed decision. Bow window design. Pasadena offers a wide range of styles and features to suit any home. From traditional to contemporary designs, bow window options. Pasadena are vast, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their aesthetic preferences. Bow window features. Pasadena include customizable frames, glass options, and hardware finishes. Bow Windows Pasadena can transform the look and feel of your home. By choosing the right bow window upgrades, Pasadena, you can improve your home's energy efficiency, increase natural light, and enhance its overall appearance. Bow window solutions. Pasadena are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Bow window frames. Pasadena are available in various materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Each material offers distinct advantages such as durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Bow window materials. Pasadena are selected based on the homeowner's preferences and the specific requirements of their home. Bow window glass. Pasadena is an important consideration when selecting new windows. Energy-efficient glass options can significantly reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of your home. Bow window specialists. Pasadena can help you choose the best glass options for your needs, ensuring optimal performance and longevity.